Now, today I am going to begin chapter 8 in Indices. And about this chapter, you have studied in the lower classes also. It's clear. This chapter. I am going to begin in Indices, chapter 8. So you can open your book also. Now you see here. ये क्या है? Here we will discuss about the exponential form. Form of a number. Now exponential form means in terms of power. We will write the number in terms of power. और पावर को क्या कहते हैं? पावर को कहते हैं एक्सपोनेंट. पावर को क्या कहते हैं? इंडेक्स. What is the other name of power? Exponent. Other name of this, index. It's clear. And plural of index is known as indices. Plural of index. It is known as indices. This. Now there is one more thing, prime number. Prime number means any number which have no other factor except one and itself. No other factor except one and itself. One और खुद के अलावा क्या है? कोई फैक्टर नहीं है. Because we know that one is the factor of every number and number itself is the factor of every number. What are the smallest prime number? 2, which is a even number. Rest all prime numbers are odd. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. These numbers cannot be further factorized. Now see here. Here we will do the prime factorization of 16. There is a number 16. We will do its prime factorization. Prime factorization means factors in prime numbers. So 2 8 ja, this is 2 4 ja, this is 2 2 ja, and this is 2 1 ja. You can see 16 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is called the expanded form. Which form? Expanded form. And this can be written at 2 to the power 4. क्या पढ़ेंगे इसको? 2 to the power 4. To the power 4. Is it 2 to the power 4? Now this is called the exponential form of 16. क्या कहलाएगा? Exponential form. 16 can be written as in exponential form this way. It's clear? Here in 2 to the power 4, 2 is base and 4 is power. 4 is exponent. 4 is index. It is clear? This form is known as exponential form. It is clear? So this is the exponential form of a number. Now I am taking another number.
Sir.
54. To do the factorization, 27, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja, and 3 1 ja. Now see here, if we see 54, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 3. 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 3. This is the exponential form of this number. Here in 2 to the power 1, what is base? Base is 2. What is exponent? Exponent is 1. In 3 to the power 3, what is base? 3.
3.
What is exponent? That is also 3. It's clear? Exponent is 3. Now I am going to tell you, explain you some exponential laws, exponential rules. So see here, a to the power 0, it is equal to 1. A to the power 0 equals to 1. Means if you raise 0 power over any number, the value of that will be 1. अगर हम 0 रेज कर देंगे किसी नंबर पर तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? 1 हो जाएगी. Then you write any power over it, 1. 1 के ऊपर कोई भी पावर रेज करें, its value will be always 1. Its value will be always 1. You raise any power over n, its value will be always 1. It is clear? That will be always 1. Now see here, after this, product of two exponential numbers. Product of two exponential numbers. दो exponential numbers का product. This is known as product rule. It is known as product rule. And what is this? A to the power m into a to the power n. अगर दो exponential numbers का product हो रहा हो, such that their bases are same, then what will happen to the power? Power will be added. Power will be added. But the condition is bases should remain same. For example, 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 5. It will be equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 5. That is 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8 means you will multiply 2 how many times? You will multiply 2 8 times. 8 बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. It's clear? Then you can see here. Suppose there is 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 7. Whether this can be simplified by using this formula? No. Here we cannot apply product rule. यहां पर हम product rule नहीं लगा पाएंगे. Product rule यहां पर हम नहीं लगा पाएंगे. It is clear? So product rule, a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. Then there is a quotient rule. Quotient rule means division. Now these rules apply only in the multiplication and division. If there is addition, subtraction, we cannot apply. A to the power m upon a to the power n. मतलब एक एक्सपोनेंशियल नंबर को दूसरी एक्सपोनेंशियल नंबर से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. One exponential number is divided by the other exponential number, provided their bases are same. What will be? A to the power m minus n. It will be a to the power m minus n. Then there is a power rule. Power rule. A to the power m whole to the power n means successive powers. Successive powers. एक के बाद एक powers. A to the power m whole to the power n. What will happen? Powers will multiply a to the power m into n. For example, you can see 2 to the power 3 upon 2 की power 7. Here quotient rule will apply. Bases are same, so we can write ऊपर की पावर में से नीचे की पावर subtract 2 to the power minus 4. Similarly, if 3 to the power 7 whole to the power 2, there are power के ऊपर power, successive powers, powers will multiply 3 to the power 40. Now there are some more rules. You can see here. Here a to the power minus m. If there is a negative power, how will you write? 1 upon a to the power m. 1 upon a to the power m. For example, 2 to the power minus 4. What will you write? 1 upon 2 to the power 4. Means 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 1 upon 16. Sometimes we write this way also. That is also correct. क्यों? क्योंकि 1 के ऊपर कुछ भी पावर रेज कर दें, वैल्यू 1 ही रहेगी. It will remain 1 only. You can see here 1 upon a to the power minus m. Denominator में negative power है. When you will take it in numerator, this term power will become positive. Power क्या हो जाएगी? Positive हो जाएगी. So we will remember this thing. Then one more thing. Suppose a by b whole to the power minus m. Power is negative. And here base is in fractional form. Base is in the fractional form. You can write it as b by a whole to the power m. For example, 3 upon 4 whole to the power minus 2 equals to
4 upon 3 whole power
3
2.
whole to the power 2. Means 16 upon 9. It will be 16 upon 9. Now see here. Suppose if it is a into b whole to the power m, a into b whole to the power m, then it will be a to the power m into b to the power m. Means same power will be raised in all the terms inside. Provided क्या होना चाहिए, या तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन या क्या होना चाहिए, डिवीजन. It will be a to the power m upon b to the power m. Suppose if it is a plus b whole to the power m. If it is a plus b whole to the power m, then we can write it as, we cannot write this as this. हम इसको इस तरीके से नहीं लिख सकते हैं. This rule will be applicable only when either there is multiplication or division. It is not this. तुमको मालूम है a plus b whole square क्या ये होता है a square plus b square, whether it is equal to this? So no. Here there is one more term. So this rule will applicable only when there is multiplication or division. It is clear? Now see here, there is one more thing. If power is in fraction, a की power m by n, a की power m by n, how will you write? You will write it as this way. ये जो डिनोमिनेटर में टर्म है उसको ये सर्ड के उसमें अंदर रख लिया, a to the power m. सर्ड का साइन लिख लिया, डिनोमिनेटर में जो नंबर है उसको सर्ड का ऑर्डर बना लिया, a to the power m. What will you write? Say it, nth root of a to the power m. Nth root of a to the power n. For example, x to the power 1 by 4. What will you write? 4th root of x की power 1 means 4th root of x. Suppose a to the power 2 by 3. What will you write? This is cube root. This will become now cube root of a square. Suppose if it is a to the power 5 by 2. So now third and here 2 means now it will become square root a to the power 5. और स्क्वायर रूट पे 2 यहां नहीं लिखा जाता, सिंपली ऐसे लिख दिया जाता, दिस. It is clear? Now see here. Suppose two exponential numbers are equal. A to the power m equals to a to the power n. If this is given this, then it means m is equal to n. अगर बेसेज सेम है तो पावर्स इक्वल हो जाएंगी, प्रोवाइडेड दोनों एक्सपोनेंशियल नंबर्स इक्वल हों. सपोज कहीं ऐसे हो, a to the power m equals to b to the power m. Now powers are same. Therefore, bases will also will become same. So you can see in your book and mark it. Here you can mark. All these formulae are given. Here you can get. All of you mark in your book. Here it is given. Here this is given. Then it is, this is given. You mark this. Then about the fractional power also I do. Have you understood? Now I am going to solve some questions of your exercise. I am going to solve some questions. Exercise 8. Question number 1, second part. Question number 1, second part. Now all of you think and tell me how will you do. It's clear. Now very few students are attending the class. Only 22 have attended. Where are the others? Now all of you inform to others to attend the class. Now see here. 1 whole 61 upon 64 whole to the power minus 2 by 3. So first you simplify 1 whole 61 upon 64. It is equal to how much? 1 whole 61 upon 64. So 64 1 ja 64 plus 61, that is equal
125
to
upon 64.
125 upon 64 whole to the power minus 2 by 3. Now in most of the cases you know that how will you write that number in exponent form. So as you know that 125, it is 5 to the power how much?
3.
64 2 की power 6 whole to the power minus 2 by 3. After this you invert the base. Power will become positive. Negative power you will become positive. Now when you will open the bracket, what will happen? This power will be multiply with this as well as with this. So see here, how will you write it? So I am writing here 2 to the power 6 into 2 by 3 divided by 5 to the power 3 into 2 by 3. Now you further simplify 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. Means 2 to the power 4 upon 5 to the power 2. So it will be 16 upon 25. 2 to the power 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times you will multiply. 5 square you multiply 2 times. So this will be 16 upon 25. Now see here. You see the question number 3, first part. X to the power minus 1 into y to the power minus 1 divided by x की power minus 1 plus y की power minus 1. So see here, what will you write? X to the power minus 1. So it can be written as 1 upon x into 1 upon y whole divided by, ये इक्वल साइन क्या होगा? होल डिवाइडेड बाय के सामने होगा. इक्वल साइन विल बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ होल डिवाइडेड बाय. So this will be xy, that is y plus x. Here it is xy, y plus x. This is y. This here I made a mistake. All of you see here. Here actually there is multiplication. So it will be equal to 1 upon
xy.
What will be LCM in denominator? Xy, that is y plus x. When you will further simplify 1 upon xy, it will invert and multiply. Y plus x you can write x plus y. So this is 1 upon x plus y. It will be 1 upon x plus y. This way. So now I am taking some bigger questions. For example, here there is a question. This is question number 5, second part. 0.027 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. So see here, this can be written as 27 upon 1000 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Since the power is negative, therefore, in order to make it positive, you reciprocate the base. मतलब बेस का उल्टा कर दे. Reciprocate the base मतलब बेस का उल्टा कर दे. Power will make positive. Now see here, 1000, how will you write? 10 into 10 into 10. This is 3 into 3 into 3. So this thing you can write inside a bracket. ये जो expanded form में रखी है, इसको ब्रैकेट में ऐसे लिख लें. 10 by 3 की पावर 3. अब देख लो, इसके बाहर भी एक पावर है, तो हमने बिग ब्रैकेट लगा लिया. It is 1 by 3. Now you multiply the powers. Power rule will apply. Which rule will apply? Successive powers. Power के ऊपर power. Power के ऊपर power means it
Power
is
rule.
3 in 1 by 3. That is 10 by 3. So this is. You can see it carefully. 10 की power 3 whole की power 1 means 10 की power 3. Now you can see one more question. Here question number 6, second part. It is 64 whole to the power minus 2 by 3 divided by, here there is the division, I have written like this, 9 whole to the power minus 3 by 2. So you simplify. First you simplify. 64 can be written at 2 to the power 6 whole to the power minus 2 by 3. 9 you can write 3 square whole to the power minus 3 by 2. Now you multiply the power. So here 2, 6 into minus 2 by 3. 2 into minus 3 by 2. When you will simplify, you will see here 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. 2 and 2 cancel. So in numerator it will be what? 2 to the power minus 4. Denominator 3 to the power minus 3. Now after this, see here powers are negative. तो इस टर्म को डिनोमिनेटर में लिए जाए और इसको न्यूमरेटर में. What will happen? Power will become positive. So it will be 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 3 upon that is 27 upon 60. 27 upon 60. Now see here. Question number 8, second part. (27 by 8 whole to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 2 plus 5 to the power 0. Now 27 you can write 3 cube, 8 2 cube whole to the power 2 by 3. This you can write 4 upon 1 whole to the power 2. 5 to the power 0 is 1. Now you can see here, this can be written as 3 by 2 whole की power 3. And there is outside power also. So 2 by 3. 4 you can write 2 square whole square. So it will be 3 by 2 2 to the power 4 plus 1. So this is cancelled. So it will be what? 9 by 4 minus 16 plus 1. When you will do further, 9 by 4 minus 50. Minus 51 by 4. This. So this way you can do the question. Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you do the questions. Tomorrow I will take some more questions, but up to the question number 10 you try to do. You will be able to do. These questions are very simple. So
Okay,
up
sir.
to the question number 10 you will do.
Yes, sir.
11th onwards I will explain tomorrow. This exercise will take some days, perhaps 3-4 lectures will be required. So we will do. हम लोग आराम से करेंगे, बहुत अधिक मतलब ऐसा नहीं. It's clear. So up to the question number 10 you will do.